Use the link in the description below to stay safe online using NordVPN. Today we're breaking down the Wells Fargo One Key card, a $0 annual fee travel rewards card aimed at Expedia, Hotels.com, and Vrbo users. Worth it? And also, Reddit weighed in. Now, basics. You get $0 annual fee, 3% back, One Key cash on bookings via Expedia, Hotels, Vrbo, plus gas, dining, and grocery. You get 1.5% back on everything else. You earn $300 to $400 a bonus after $1,000 spent in 3 months. You get perks including silver status, travel protections, and no foreign transaction fees. Now, Reddit is some users are loving it. One was quoted saying, the One Key card is amazing. It's got the best reward rate that I've seen between all of my 5 other reward cards. They're pulling in fast rewards, especially on travel. And others are warning. The rewards you earn can be used on most bookings on Expedia, package bookings, flight bookings, meaning One Key Cash has strict redemption limits. Planners beware. And for the premium version, which is the one that we have up here, One Key Plus, opinions vary. Nice unboxing, solid perks, but anniversary credit versus free night value is debated. Now the pros, you get strong 3% back on key travel and everyday categories, $0 annual fee and bonus offer, auto silver status and travel protections. Now the cons, rewards can only be redeemed through Expedia and Hotels.com and Vrbo. Redemption rules are tricky, booking restrictions apply. And there's not a flexible general use travel rewards card. Now, if booking through Expedia, Hotels, or Vrbo is your go-to and you don't mind redemption limits, the One Key card is a strong choice. But if you want broader flexibility, more mainstream perks, and simpler redemption cards like City Strata, Chase Sapphire, or Capital One, they might be better. Have you tried it? Any horror stories with One Key Cash? Drop your thoughts below. Hit like and subscribe for more real deal reviews.